Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. So let's get started with this video. In the previous video, I hope you have seen that we have built a shopping website, basic level shopping website using ChatGPT. In this video, we are going to discuss actually what is this ChatGPT and how to use the ChatGPT, what can the things we can do in ChatGPT and what is the difference between ChatGPT and Google. So let's get started with the video. Now we need to open the ChatGPT website directly. So let's type ChatGPT. I think this was trending, right? That is at the top. Open the first website, it's OpenAI thing. Before going into the actual thing, so we need to know that what is ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT is a artificial intelligence. It's just like a bot. If you ask something, it will give you the answer. The same thing like Google Assistant or Siri, etc. But here ChatGPT is bit different from the bots like Google Assistant and Siri. So actually this was launched by OpenAI. You can see the OpenAI here. So OpenAI launched this ChatGPT on November 30, 2022. Fine. Actually this ChatGPT will give you the answer whatever you ask the questions, and moreover it remembers the question which you have asked initially. Okay, so and also it will store all the history what you all asked in your account. Actually there will be a separate account for you, and it's like a Chrome browsing history. It will store all the sessions history. In this session what are the questions you are, and that will help you if you want to ask the same question rather than typing from any starting thing. You can also directly go to that particular tab and you can directly ask the follow-up questions of that particular topic. And now let's get started. Just click on try ChatGPT. So that is loading there. Verify you are a human. So let's verify it. In ChatGPT, if you see this interface, you can see the two options, login and sign up. First one is login and second one is sign up. Login in the sense the people who are having the ChatGPT account previously. If at all if you don't have your account, you need to sign up there by giving the Gmail ID as well as phone number so that it can verify using some OTPs or something. So actually here after clicking on sign up, you need to give the email ID first. After that you need to give the password. Just click on enter on continue. Now a verification mail will be sent to your Gmail account. Let's click on that very particular verification mail. Verify your email address. Continue setuping of your OpenAI accounts. Just click on verify my email address. That will directly redirect to the ChatGPT thing. Now give the first name. Edit in last time as Ab. Continue. Now you need to give a phone number here. An OTP will be coming to your phone number. After verification of your email address and verification of your phone number, now this is a chat window and this is a search bar which you need to type your question or any query to the ChatGPT what you want to ask. I will say if you see here when I type here hi, it will give you a predefined message or answer. This is called as a history window. So what all the searches you have made here will be listed here. I told you previously that the history will be saved in the ChatGPT, right? This is the history tab. For every session there will be a new tab added in this section here. I will ask like when you are launched. So when we ask that when you are launched, it will give us the predefined answer that I was created and released by OpenAI in some 2020. We can ask not only a technical question, or we can ask anything like can we make so I want a recipe of Hyderabadi chicken biryani. So we can even ask like that. So let's try that once with typing few things. Yeah, here we go. It will give you the complete recipe of how to make a biryani, what are the ingredients used for that chicken biryani. So everything whatever you want to prepare the Hyderabadi chicken biryani along with precautionary steps and everything. So this may not be possible in Google because Google gives us all the articles published by different chefs, everything. But here ChatGPT is the chef and ChatGPT is the cook here, right? So if you see here in the instructions, it's still fetching the details, still writing something. Everything that will give you in ChatGPT the same response or the same question. If we check on Google, let's what all the things you can get from Google and what is the difference between ChatGPT and Google. Now I'm opening a new tab here and Google. I will ask the same question what I asked to ChatGPT. So yeah, if you see here, like when I typed here how, the suggestion is how to use ChatGPT. I think that is trending now in Google regarding ChatGPT. So now in Google, if you see the Google, it will give you like hundreds of options. It may give you videos on YouTube. It will give you the articles published by different writers, and it will give you different recipes. If you see here, this was a recipe that was published in Indian Healthy Recipes. So recipes.times of India, food story, etc., etc., etc. In Google, you can see many responses here. You can see multiple answers. But in the case of ChatGPT, no confusion, only one answer. Just enjoy your delicious Hyderabad chicken biryani. This give you only one answer. That is the difference between ChatGPT and Google. And another thing, if you want to, the question I asked here is, can you give me a code for my shopping website? And you can style it with the nice colors. I just typed that. If I type the same thing in Google, let's check what will be the answer. Can you? No, I asked the same question to Google that I asked in ChatGPT in my previous video. Now it is giving me some random things. It will not give you the code, but it will give you what all the articles published on Google or any YouTube video which is matching my keywords or something. How to make e-commerce website. Google. If I type same thing, or once again I want to type same thing here. Let's check what will be the answer from the ChatGPT. Now it is directly writing the code for me. How lovely this is, right? So it is giving me the code directly. So this is actual difference between ChatGPT and Google. Google acts as a browser and ChatGPT acts as a person, like a knowledgeable person. Actually, there are many advantages of ChatGPT and also many disadvantages are also there in ChatGPT. The advantages will be the same thing. If someone wants to start a website or someone wants to do something, a basic guidance will be, or initial things will be given by Chat. But where in the case of Google, that may not give you the proper thing. The Google will give an expert answer who was written an article on some other website. Okay, now in the ChatGPT there are some disadvantages. Students are using this ChatGPT in the mid-examining, thing like that, or in any assignments by the teacher in any problem. Even ChatGPT can even solve the problem. Okay, so that is the reason why there are some disadvantages from ChatGPT. OpenAI has already started a new tool that will detect the script that was written by a bot. If at all, if a bot give you something, an article, that particular tool will detect is this text was written by a human being or a bot. Of course, that is not actually 100% accurate, but that will be accurate up to 26%. Now in future that efficiency may go to about 80 or 90%. We cannot able to predict that. But anyhow, these are the main things about this ChatGPT. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got the difference between ChatGPT and Google. And from now, you can also use ChatGPT for all your needs. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe.